Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Tony, the owner of Homeowner Repair, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the key fob of your KIA Sportage. This thing can be a little intimidating to look at, and if you're trying to figure out, it might be trying to like crack the code on a Rubik's Cube. You're going to fumble around it for a little bit and say, how does this thing open? And lose your patience. So this is going to be like a couple second video that'll show you how to open the thing up, and you're probably going to laugh at how easy it is. But before I get into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave a question or whatever, I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and you'll get notifications when we upload videos. So let's see what this thing's all about. All right, so what you need to do is, you might even need to like take some time just to kill some video, and you're going to want to flip the little switch right here, cut twang, and make the key come out. So the battery is under this compartment right here. So all you need to do, I'll show you what you need to do, is put your thumb right here and kind of pry up, make a twang. The thing is right there. That's where the battery lives. And if you need to replace it, the plus side should go up like that. So just you'll take a little itty bitty screwdriver or something and kind of worm the thing out, and it should slip right out for you. This battery's good, so make sure it's under the tips right there. Place it back in, take the battery cover and slip it down like this, and it should press and snap right into place for you. So you should be back in action and able to use your key fob once again. So right about now, you're probably saying, are you kidding me? It was that easy? It was that easy. So hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, or one of the subs will. We do it all the time. And subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. You don't want to miss out on anything. Thanks for watching, guys.